All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:55 in the morning of April 11th, 2022, and this is my pre-market strategy session. So today, I am looking for a gap fill for the short, and what that means is, take for example here on the SPY, if it opened up right now, it would open up, let's see, 0.73% lower than its previous close. And basically what I'm looking for is for the S&P, the SPY, whatever it is, looking for it to open and then probably crawl up. And as some people cover shorts, I don't know, just looking for this thing to trade up after the open out of oversold conditions. And once it hits a certain level in here, somewhere around the 447, say 448 actually, right around the high 447 to 448 level on the SPY, looking for it to hit some resistance, kind of roughly right in here, right in there. So, nope, sorry, let's get a little bit higher, right around 448. Yeah, right in there somewhere, roughly in that area. I'll see what it does. If it starts to meet resistance at roughly 448, then I'll look for it to turn away and start heading down. Oops. Look for it to start turning away and heading back down again from that level. And if the VIX can line up at the same time, let's see here. With the VIX, so the VIX right now is in overbought conditions. So the VIX at the opening ought to be coming down a bit right here. And if the VIX if it starts to bottom out at the same time that the SPY is kind of hitting the 448 level, it'll be a little bit of a confirmation for me for an entry. So otherwise, it looks like the 10-year ought to be taking a breather right in here, right in this level. I'll be getting a little bit of a pullback on the 10-year. I don't know if that's going to be just like a morning thing and then it'll start popping up again, or what. There's somebody, I don't remember who it was, but somebody somewhat credible was saying that we can expect 3.25 on the 10-year within 6 months. I think that's a bit aggressive. I mean, not to say that it hasn't gone from 1.7 to 2.7. I mean, it's an enormous move in percentage terms. Let's see. So let's see, 2.7 minus 1.7, that's 1, duh. And it was coming from 1.7, so let's divide that by 1.7. That's a 58% move in just like since early March to mid-April. It's put in nearly a 60% move. In percentage terms, that's huge. It's enormous. I mean, in absolute terms, yeah, maybe it's no big deal, but in percentage terms, it's a really big deal. So, perhaps it'll take a few days to kind of pull back. I think that falling rates is going to be really good for gold, and then probably okay for the stock market. But then as soon as this thing starts to rev back up and starts moving, if it decides to keep going back up, then, watch out. Stock market is definitely going to take a hit. It ought to, the stock market ought to be taking more of a hit than it already has, but whatever. All right. So, I've got some risk ranges on the S&P here, getting pretty close to the bottom end of the risk range, but in bearish conditions, is kind of the bottom of the risk range. I'll keep going lower and lower. Then there's the VIX. The VIX is a little bit elevated here. We've got a series of higher lows happening here. We've got this low right here, and this is a little bit higher here. It's a little bit higher there. So I don't know. I mean, we'll see. It's possible the VIX could get back up in the 30s again. Dollar is showing a little bit of weakness here. It's probably just a pullback, short-term pullback for a run-up. Let's see what else. And we've got Amazon. The Amazon's headed down to its support level down here. We'll see how far it goes. And Tesla, this is interesting. So Tesla, this could be the big rollover for Tesla. There are a lot of people who've talked about how overvalued Tesla's been for a long time. And there are some manufacturers, some electric vehicle manufacturers are starting to nip at Tesla's heels. But, Tesla's a beast. This chart formation is not nice. That is not pretty. That is a Wyckoff distribution. And it could quite possibly go significantly lower. So, yeah, let's say oil. Ooh, oil is getting spanked. That's nice to see. And coffee is catching a bid. Look at that. I think there are more higher prices coming in for coffee. All right, everybody, that's my morning strategy session. Good luck out there. Keep your wrists tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you at tomorrow morning's strategy session. I am out.